Hi and welcome to 60-second face yoga. I'm going to be showing you a great technique for helping to lift and open up the eye area. So we're going to take index finger and thumb and we're just going to pinch right into the muscle here. So go quite deep, it shouldn't feel painful, but you should feel like you're stimulating the muscle. This is how you're going to help to lift and open the eyebrows. Then you can just move across and again you can just pinch right down into the muscle. It's also great for boosting the collagen and the elastin in this area as well as helping the circulation. And you can just once more go back to your starting position there, just pinching right down into the muscle and then to the outer edge, gently pinching. And then when you bring your hands down, you can take a look in the mirror and you might notice that your eyes have opened up a lot more, and it's really good to follow this by using mascara. So a really nice organic mascara. I like the one by Green People, and you can just pop a bit of that on and you should find that your whole eye area has opened out.